Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a real estate website with WordPress, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing a domain name for your real estate website. Ensure it is relevant, memorable, and easy to spell. Next, select a reliable web hosting provider. Consider options that offer WordPress-specific plans for optimal performance. Once you've registered your domain and set up hosting, install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation feature for WordPress. After installation, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Choose an appropriate real estate theme that supports property listings. You can find themes specifically designed for real estate websites in the WordPress theme repository. Install and activate your chosen theme. Customize the theme to fit your brand's identity. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your business style. Now, it's time to add essential plugins to enhance functionality. Search for and install plugins such as property listing, SEO optimization, and contact forms. Configure each plugin according to your needs. Then, create key pages for your website. These should include a home page, property listings page, about us, and contact page. Add listings for each property you want to showcase. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and pricing information. Optimize each listing for search engines by using relevant keywords. Next, set up a contact form to make it easy for potential clients to reach you. Ensure your contact information is visible and accessible on every page. Incorporate social media links to help with engagement and marketing. Once you're satisfied with your website's layout and content, preview it. Check for any errors or adjustments needed before going live. Finally, launch your website and promote it through social media and email marketing. Regularly update your listings and content to keep the site fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.